Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learn to Love Math with Teacher Rhea. So this time I'm going to discuss on the first conic section, which is on circle. This is a topic for pre-calculus. So if you are a STEM student, grade 11 STEM student, hope this can help you. So we have, what is a circle by definition? So circle is a set of points equidistant to a particular point called the center. So we have two different ways of writing the equation of the circle, starting with the general form. Ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0. Of course, a, b, c, d, and e are real numbers, and that should not, or a, b, c, and d should not be equal to 0. Or a and b should not be equal to 0. Next is we have the standard form. So there are two different standard form. It depends kung asa ang center sa circle. Starting with x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Wala gani kay makitaan nga partner ni x and y. It means that the center of the circle is at the origin with the coordinates 0, 0. So this will be the graph of that one. Naagid sa origin ang iyang center. Next, the second one is we have x minus h squared plus the square of y minus k is equal to r squared. Center is represented by hk. So, ato na siyang i-compute or i-identify actually in that particular case. And this is an example of a circle whose center is at HK. HK meaning the center is any point on the Cartesian plane except sa origin. Now, to make you understand better on circle, I have prepared an example here. So, let's have an example. What is the center and radius of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 9? So, we have, since it is under the equation whose center is at the origin, then we can just identify directly that the center is at 0, 0. O, gibalik na kong butang dira ang duha ka equation ha as your guide. Next is the radius. We have r squared is equal to 9. Take note, from the equation, the resulting number is r squared na siya. So, we still have to compute. By getting the square root on both sides of the equation, r is 3 units. By the way, when you will be extracting square roots, di ba, atong naandan is the result is positive, negative. But we will only be focusing on the positive value kay there is no radius man in town nga negative. Even me, I don't know how to draw a circle with negative radius. Bitaw, we are talking about distance. So it should be positive. Next, let's have the second example. We have, what is the center and radius of the circle with equation x minus 3 squared, or the square of x minus 3 plus the square of y plus 1 is equal to 4. So from the equation here provided, this one, x minus h plus y minus k diha. So the center is positive 3 and negative 1, and the radius is r squared, or is 4, so that makes it 2 units. Now, there is a shorter way of identifying the center. Sometimes ang uban is maglibog. How will we know that it's positive or negative? Since from the original standard form, the operations involved are all subtraction, take note that subtraction ganina siya, naagi siya something to do with the sign. So, para di ka maglibog, just take note of the opposite. So, kay minus 3 man, ari ka sa positive. Plus 1 man, ari ka sa negative. So, kung plus 3 na siya, negative 3. Kung minus 1 na siya, positive 1. Inana ra kadali ang pag-identify sa center of the circle. Next, let's try to have this equation. What is the center and radius of the circle with the equation x squared plus y minus 2, or the square of y minus 2 is equal to 8? If you have noticed, si x kay walay partner, pero si y kay naa. Wala ganinay partner, it's understood nga 0. Meaning, the center is at 0 and it's minus 2, so opposite, that makes it positive 2. and the radius is 2 square root of 2. 8 is not a perfect square. All you need to do is simplify. Take note that 8 has a factor which is 4 and 2, and 4 is a perfect square. Muna siyang nagawa si 2. Kay square root of 4 is 2. That's the reason why we have 2 square root of 2 units. Next, so let's have example number 4. So for this example, rewrite the equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 3, and that is equal to 0 in standard form, and identify the center and the radius of the circle, then graph. O, diba? Dagan kitag buhaton ring apart. So first, is from the equation, you have to group the terms of the same variable. So that makes it x squared. So, i-highlight na ko si x, blue, then si y is red. Si constant, maintain siya, kaya ito na siyang ibalhin later. So, we have grouping the terms, x squared minus 4x, and then y squared plus 6y minus 3, and that is equal to 0. Next is, if you are still familiar with the idea or the concept on completing the square, that is the process that we are going to use here. That is why we were able to come up with this equation. Now, how did we come up with this equation? We have copy x squared, copy negative 4x. How did we get the last term? Divide the coefficient of x with 2. So, negative 4 divided by 2, that is negative 2, then square. Are we going to square it all the time? Yes. Mawitang gitawag siya completing the square. Next for y, copy y squared, copy 6y, and the same process. 6 divided by 2, that is 3, and then square. Remember, to maintain the equality of the equation, whatever are the terms added on the left side of the equation should be the same term added to the right side. Negative 2 squared, that is equal to 4. And 3 squared is positive 9. Do not forget that one. The purpose of adding that one is to maintain the equality of the equation. Next is, from the perfect square trinomial, rewrite it in square of a binomial. And how are we going to do that? How did I get x minus 2? That is, on the first term, get the base. The second term, get the base. So, si x, the base here is negative 2, then square. Same as here. Base is y. 3 squared, ang base is 3, and then perform the operation. 3 plus 4 plus 9, that is 16. So, the square of x minus 2 plus the square of y plus 3 is equal to 16. That is now our equation in standard form. Why is there a need for us to rewrite? Okay? For us to be able to identify the center and the radius of the circle. So we have here the equation. The square of x minus 2 plus the square of y plus 3 is equal to 16. So the center, get the opposite. Minus 2, positive 2. Okay, minus 2, positive 2. Plus 3, so negative 3. Opposite lang yun imong kuhaon. And then, of course, the radius is equal to 4 units. Okay? The square root of 16 is 4. Then, let's do the graphing. So, we have here our Cartesian plane. First is locate our center, which is 2, negative 3. So, it is in the fourth quadrant. Next, count kag 4 to get the radius. So, we have here, from the radius, better come count og 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so we will have there our mura siya guide point. Then using your compass, or pwede ka mag-create og improvised compass. O kung usahay, I will be using the yarn or any katong rope na cute. Then create the circle. Okay, so that is now our circle with center at 2, negative 3 and radius of 4 units. I hope you learned something from the video. Watch out for the next video, which is about parabola. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please do not forget to subscribe on my channel, Learn to Love Math with Teacher Rhea.